Bitcoin inches towards $23,000, Ether trades below $1,700. Ex-Genesis executives claimed they raised millions for crypto hedge fund before bankruptcy. Cardano recovers from an outage on 50% relay and block producing nodes. Engage XR unveils virtual employees in its Metaverse platform. Microsoft shuts down its social VR platform, AltspaceVR. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrencies traded higher on Monday, led by positive investor sentiments that were resulted from NFTs grossing increased sales and Binance garnering investor support to become largest shareholders of Bitcoin among emerging markets. Bitcoin traded above $22,000. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.7% at 32,853 points. As per the latest FIT report on stablecoins, the overall capitalization of the sector has shrunk significantly since the collapse of Terra in May 2022, falling from around $189 billion at end April to around $144 billion at end December. Stablecoins, which are supposed to be associated with lower volatility, are unique in that they are backed by a currency, for example, the US dollar, a commodity, for example, gold, or a financial instrument, example, a stock or a bond. This is to keep the value of the digital currency more stable. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization was trading higher and surpassed the crucial $1 trillion mark, rising 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto trading volume increased by 7% to stand at $53 billion. Investors have been weighing the possibility that the Fed is getting ready to slow the pace of its inflation-fighting rate hikes after economic data last week showed a decline in wholesale prices and retail sales. Stock futures were little changed as investors weighed a potential slowdown or pause in Federal Reserve interest rate hikes and looked ahead to a busy week of earnings. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were lower by 12 points or 0.04%. S&P 500 futures dipped 0.16% along with Nasdaq 100 futures. Bitcoin was trading at $22,888, up 0.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.8%, trading at $1,637.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Just weeks before crypto lender Genesis filed for bankruptcy, 3 former employees of the company claimed they had secured millions of dollars for a new crypto hedge fund. Matt Bolenswig, who left Genesis in September after more than 5 years at the firm, sent a message to a prospective investor in mid-December regarding a fund he was starting called Hunting Hill Digital. Bolenswig said he had already secured $2.5 million from Bessemer venture partner at a $30 million post-money valuation and wrote in the message that he and his partners were in the process of raising another $5 million. The fund's flagship product would go live in the first quarter of 2023. Other partners in the fund would include Martin Garcia, who spent more than 6 years at Genesis, and Reed Verbit, Genesis' former head of trading, the message said. Verbit, Garcia, and Bolenswig all left Genesis around the same time in 2022. Cardano stake pool operators and users have been reporting at least half of the nodes for the network briefly went offline over the weekend. According to a January 22nd post shared on the Telegram SPO for Input Output Global, the engineering and research fintech behind the Cardano blockchain, an anomaly caused 50% of Cardano nodes to disconnect and restart. This appears to have been triggered by a transient anomaly causing 2 reactions in the node. Some disconnected from a peer, others threw an exception and restarted. The post said, explaining the sudden disruption. Despite a momentary degradation, the Cardano network recovered without external intervention. As explained in the post, such transient issues were considered in the node design and consensus, and the systems behaved exactly as expected. The root cause of the anomaly and resulting node disconnections and restarts are still under investigation. Engage XR has developed and demonstrated the integration of AI into its Metaverse platform in the form of a virtual employee named Athena. The Irish company, formerly called VR Education, officially launched its enterprise-focused Metaverse platform, EngageLink, last year. Ahead of the platform's launch, the Waterford-based company teamed up with big names including Lenovo, HTC, and Stanford University to help create its platform. Now, the unveiling of Athena marks another milestone for the company. According to Engage XR, the avatar is fully interactive virtual employee that will take voice commands and complete tasks. It can also provide advice, answer questions, source media for playback, create AI imagery, find 3D objects, create sticky notes, and interact with key functions of the platform. The avatar is powered by AI tools such as ChatGPT and DALL-E, and engineers will add more functionality and connectivity with different AI programs. Microsoft plans to shut down AltspaceVR, the social virtual reality platform, on March 10, 2023. The Silicon Valley heavyweight shared the news in a blog post just days after it announced 10,000 job cuts globally as a part of the restructuring exercise. As we look to the future, we see the opportunity for VR expanding beyond consumer into business and now have an even greater goal, a more open, accessible, and secure version of immersive experiences in the metaverse, reads the blog post. AltspaceVR was one of the first virtual reality social networking apps that allow users across headset and web platforms to join 3D chat rooms to play games, watch videos, and attend events. When the startup was almost on the verge of collapse in 2017 due to financial reasons, it got acquired by Microsoft as part of its efforts to develop its own mixed reality ecosystem. Now, with AltspaceVR shutting down, Microsoft says users can download their data and content from the VR platform. Now, let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the three buzzing stocks of the day.
Alethea AI and Polygon Labs have jumped on the AI bandwagon with the release of an AI-powered NFT project that allows users to create NFT avatars using text-based prompts similar to OpenAI's DALL-E image generator. Anyone will be able to rapidly create, train, and trade AI characters as NFTs on Polygon according to the project's plans. Alethea AI's character GPT claims to go beyond traditional text-to-image engines like OpenAI's DALL-E 2 to generate fully interactive and intelligent AI characters with a single-line natural language prompt. The NFTs can be minted at mycharacter.ai using Alethea AI's Polygon D app. To launch the D app, a digital version of Polygon co-founder Sandeep Nelwal was made into a 1x1 NFT. AI collectible is modeled on his writings, public statements, and interviews. Polygon was trading at $1, up 0.85% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $8 billion. Robinhood has officially entered the cryptocurrency wallet market with the release of the Robinhood wallet. This is a piece of mobile software that allows users to trade and transfer digital assets like cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Other features of the wallet include the ability to exchange cryptocurrency without incurring network fees. Over 1 million people have signed up for Robinhood's waitlist, and the company says it is gradually bringing the service to them. However, many users were disappointed to discover that the wallet did not initially support Doge. When the Doge community expressed concern about the wallet's lack of Doge support, the US retail trading platform stated that it is hard at work on a solution. The news was well received by the meme community, especially since it was revealed that Robinhood will soon begin listing new meme cryptocurrencies. The official response is consistent with what John Keberat, Robinhood's general manager of cryptocurrency, previously stated. In response to questions about DogeCoin, Keberat stated that they plan to add other chains and assets but did not specify which ones. Doge was trading 5.25% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $11 billion. Stellar Development Foundation, a non-profit organization, has announced its participation in a new advisory committee of the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission. SDF will be one of 4 crypto-focused organizations on the Global Markets Advisory Committee, one of the 5 active advisory committees overseen by the CFTC, according to the firm's statement. The company behind the Stellar blockchain will be joined by representatives from traditional finance firms such as JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and BlackRock. Because SDF represents the blockchain industry on the GMAC, the foundation anticipates a greater emphasis on Layer 1 protocols and remittances. As part of the committee, the organization intends to highlight the role of stablecoins in digital asset markets and real-world use cases. In the statement, SDF stated that it is excited to join the many traditional finance players on CFTC's new committee. It also believes GMAC will serve as an opportunity for conventional finance and blockchain to find prospects for integration to ensure the integrity and competitiveness of US markets. Stellar was trading at $0.09262, up 1.50% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $2 billion.
Thank you, Vishaka. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.